How to control and manage a successful affiliate marketing campaign. Nobody can sit down in a car and drive like a pro their first time. You're bound to grind the gears and smack a light post or two. That's just the nature of inexperience. The same holds true with affiliate marketing. You're not going to do well unless you have experience. Check out these tips from the experts and work to gain your experience. To best market your site, you should know what keywords people are using to search for you. This will allow you to see if various marketing campaigns are working, such as if you've been pushing a particular product or keyword phrase, and which of your marketing efforts might need some more work. Recording videos demonstrating a product can greatly increase your amount of customers. Once you develop loyal followers of your marketing videos, you can then sell the affiliate content more assertively. If you create engaging and informative content, customers are much more likely to develop an affinity for your product. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, include the biggest benefits of the item in the video headline. This ensures that you will draw in interested readers, and also helps to separate your review from other similar reviews of the same product. The easier it is for readers to see the benefits of the product, the more likely it is that they will buy. Who doesn't love a bit of free advertising? Get your business, and your website, listed in free business directories. There are many out there, such as Yelp, YellowPages.com, and InfoUSA. Listing with them can lead to a boost in website traffic as well as a boost in the success of your business. You can avoid hitting the proverbial light pole as long as you're working hard to learn about the business of being an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is unlike anything else on the web, so the tactics you use for other businesses may not work here. Use what you've learned in this video when success is your ultimate goal. Student loan.